Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to view your water bill online in 2025. With everything going digital, it's easier than ever to skip the paperwork and check your bills from the comfort of your couch. Whether you're a busy parent, a student, or just someone who hates dealing with envelopes, this guide will save you time and hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to your water utility provider's official website or app. By 2025, most providers have upgraded their platforms for a seamless experience, so make sure you're using a secure connection. Look for that little padlock in your browser. If you don't have an account yet, start by creating one. You'll typically need your account number, which is usually on your last bill or statement, along with your email and a strong password. Pro tip: use a password manager to keep things secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Bills or Account Summary section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a list of your recent bills, and you can click on the latest one to view details like your usage, charges, and due date. Many sites now offer interactive features, like graphs showing your water consumption over time, super helpful for tracking savings if you're conserving water. If you're using the mobile app, it's even simpler. Just download it from your app store, log in with your credentials, and bam, your bills are right there. Some advanced apps in 2025 might even use facial recognition or fingerprint ID for quick access. But remember, always double-check for any updates or fees associated with online viewing. One common hiccup is forgetting your login details, so keep them handy or use the Forgot Password option. And if you run into any issues, most providers have 24/7 chat support now. There you have it. That's how you view your water bill online in 2025. It's quick, convenient, and eco-friendly. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.